This is Math 141, Practice Test 1. This is problem number 6. And the directions for this actually say factor completely. So what we want to do is get it written as those factors as much as we can. And there's a couple ways I could go about doing this actually. It's kind of in a quadratic formula form. I could do some work from there. I think what I'm going to do is graph it and just try and pull out zeros and see what happens. So it looks like that's about it. So I graph it. It's a weird shape. It looks like -2, -3, and then 2 and 3. What it looks like. So let me pull those out and see what happens. So let's take out 2 first. Notice I have 1x to the 4th. I have 0x cubes. I have -13x squareds. I have 0 x's and I have 36 ones. So bring it down, multiply, add, multiply, add. I think that's a -9. Multiply, -18, add, multiply. Yep. So notice what I've done is I've factored out an x minus 2, and then what I'm left with is it was a 4th degree, now it's a 3rd degree polynomial. X cubed minus 2x squareds minus 9x's minus 18. And I'm just going to keep picking away at that. It looked like 2 worked. It looked like -2 worked as well. So let me try that. Bring it down, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply. Great. Yeah, so -2 worked, so I could take it out as well. I have already brought out an x minus 2. I'm bringing out x plus 2. And what I'm left with is this quadratic x squared minus 9. And at this point, you might just see difference of squares. And there's where your, oops, sorry, that was a 2. X plus 2, that's where your, really sloppy, that's a 2 as well. That's where your x plus 3 and your x minus 3 are going to come from. So we're done. This is in factored form. Just in case you didn't see that you could factor it from there, you could just pull out those 3's from here as well, right? Like, let's try 3. Bring it down, multiply, add, multiply. Boom, and you're left with, there was your x minus 3, and you're left with an x plus 3. So you get there either way.